My friends, do you know Shahid Minar or monument, which is one of the oldest historical sites in world, and this is the Shahid Minar or monument. My friends, now I have come here and I shall give you the all-round details of Shahid Minar, I mean monument, which has become the one of the oldest historical site in world. My friends, right now I am at Shahid Minar, which is located in the heart of metropolitan city of Kolkata near Esplanade. My friends, it is really unfortunate to see that nowadays the area of Shahid Minar has been used for drying the cloth and garment. And see how the cloth and garment has been kept here for drying. This Shahid Minar is situated on the Kolkata Maidan. The construction of Shahid Minar was started in 1826 and the construction was ended on 1848. Shahid Minar was originally named as Austerlony Monument. Shahid Minar was established to honor Major General Sir David Austerlony, a British East India Company commander who won against Gurkhas in Anglo-Nepalese War or Gurkhas War, and having successful defense of Delhi against Marathas in the year of 1804. My friends, the base structure of Shahid Minar is with Egyptian style. However, the structure of main monument follows the Syrian architecture, and divergence is noticed in the dome that represents Turkish architecture. Overall, the architecture is symbolic of common architectural design. It all started back in the year of 1931 when first convocation meeting was chaired by Nobel Prize winner poet Rabindranath Tagore, who was on the eve of killing Bengalis youth in Hijli. My friends, the Shahid Minar is 48 meters tall and has 223 steps to the top. Since 1997, when a tourist jumped from lower balcony of this monument, police permission is required for climbing the Minar. Last persons who got onto the top of this Minar were Gopal Krishna Gandhi and his family members, who was the former governor of West Bengal. The Shahid Minar is under the protection of West Bengal government. This monument was renovated in 2011. The chief designer is J.P. Parker. The monument has two balconies on its top where the visitors can move, and in the year of 2012 the renovation was completed. My friends, This monument is located on Rani Rasmani Avenue on Kolkata Maidan, and that has resulted in the vast field being called as the Shahid Minar Maidan Brigade Ground. Foreigners will have to submit copy of their passport as well. Getting on top of the monument is an experience itself, as it will offer a bird's eye view of the great city of Kolkata. In recent years, Shahid Minar Maidan has become the favorite venue for staging political meetings and rallies for all parties. My friends, so I have given you the full details of Shahid Minar or monument. My friends, all of you know very well that the history of Shahid Minar or monument. My friends, now I have stood in front of monument and I have given you the all details of monument or Shahid Minar, when to come, how to come. My friends, this is the time to say goodbye and tata to Shahid Minar.